Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice and really cool tempered glass mousepad that this brand sent to me for the video. This thing is fantastic. I mean, it could be really good for any situation. It could be really good for productivity. It could be really good for home office. It could be really good for kind of like entertainment as well. But I think that this is gonna really resonate with the gamers. This thing is super fast. I'm not joking. This thing is really, really fast. I'm gonna show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But this tempered glass, it is so resistant. It is anti-scratch. It is waterproof as well. You don't have any issues with this one. And cleaning it, if it is stained or something like that, it is super easy. You have this really nice kind of like cleaning mouth over here. And of course, you can wash it again if you need kind of like on the surface. On the bottom part, it comes with this fantastic silicone mat over here. So it is super anti-slip. It's not gonna move at all. So that gives you a really nice surface for when playing video games or something like that. Again, it could be for any situation in particular. It could be for any scenario, but for gamers, this is super, super cool. Let me actually show it to you on a close-up. By the way, it comes with a really nice packaging as well. So this packaging could be another good one for a gift as well. So it is 13 by 13, as you can see over here. It is kind of like super, super thin. You're not going to see too much about this, just like that. It is super thin. This is the silicone mat that comes on the bottom part, and this is kind of like the seal that comes with it, the icon that comes with it, the branding. And of course, the good thing about this one, as I was telling you before, it won't move. I'm actually pushing it. I tried to pushing it and it's not gonna move. So that is really, really good. 13 by 13 rounded edges over here, which I think it's really good, and a little bit elevated for kind of like the wrist purposes over here. But this thing, it is so nice, so smooth, so fast. I was actually really surprised about how smooth this one is and how nice it is for gaming. I think for gaming, this is a must-have, guys. This is a really good one for gaming purposes, especially for FPS games. This is really, really cool. I like it. I'm vouching for it. I'm recommending this one. Could be really good to have for productivity, home office, but especially for gamers. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching and see you soon.